Greetings with peace, viewers. Also known as maize or Z-maize is one of the world's most popular cereal grains. It's the seed of a plant in the grass family. Native to Central America but grown in countless varieties worldwide. It is typically yellow but comes in a variety of other colors, such as red, orange, purple, blue, white, and black. Corn is one of the most popular vegetables in the US that sometimes gets a bad rap because it has a lot of natural sugar and carbs. But don't overlook the health benefits of this versatile veggie. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are the 7 health benefits of corn. Number 1. Prevent constipation. Corn can give you a good dose of insoluble fiber. Your body doesn't break down and absorb insoluble fiber into the bloodstream. Although it's indigestible, the fiber in corn offers many other advantages. It regulates bowel movements and more. Number 2. Provides protective antioxidants. Sweet corn is rich in vitamin C. It is a potent antioxidant food that protects your cells from damage. Vitamin C may prevent heart diseases and cancer. Also, some evidence suggests that colorful corn in colors other than yellow includes antioxidants. Number 3. Eye and skin care. Corn contains lutein, a carotenoid similar to vitamin A that's more commonly found in fruits and vegetables. Lutein is known for lowering the risk of macular degeneration, cataracts, and other eye conditions. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants that help protect your eyes. Consuming these 2 carotenoids can help protect the eyes from blue light damage, improve visual acuity, and even reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Cornstarch is used in the manufacturing of many cosmetic products and may also be applied topically to soothe skin rashes and irritation. Number 4. Improves heart health. The potential of fiber to decrease blood pressure and cholesterol plays a role in preventing heart disease. It is also filling that allows you to eat less. And this may result in a healthy weight loss. According to research, corn oil might have an anti-atherogenic effect on cholesterol levels. It reduces the risk of various cardiovascular diseases. Corn oil in particular might be the best way to improve heart health. It is derived from the fact that corn is close to an optimal fatty acid combination. Number 5. Prevents diverticular disease. It refers to a collection of conditions that might impact your digestive system. Diverticulitis is a severe form of diverticular disease. It can induce unpleasant symptoms. A healthy high-fiber diet is actually the best medicine against diverticulitis, and seeds like corn and nuts certainly fit the bill. Its complications may even lead to long-term health issues. Diverticular disease or diverticulosis is a condition characterized by pouches in the walls of your colon. Number 6. Alzheimer's and dementia. Dementia is a broad term that describes a loss of thinking ability, memory, attention, logical reasoning, and other mental abilities. These changes interfere with social or occupational functioning. The quercetin that present in a corn may also have a protective effect against Alzheimer's and dementia. Scientists have found that quercetin protects neuron cells and reduces neuroinflammation, potentially reducing the incidence of dementia, although more research is needed. Number 7. Manage diabetes. Recent studies show that eating corn helps to maintain your blood sugar level, regulates insulin levels in your body, There are only 6 grams of natural sugar in a medium-sized ear of corn. A study has shown that consumption of whole grain corn is related to a possibility of a decreased risk in the development of type 2 diabetes. Nutritional value of corn. Corn contains vitamin B6, a nutrient necessary for maintaining healthy levels of pyridoxine. Pyridoxine deficiency can cause anemia and may increase the risk of developing heart disease, depression, and premenstrual syndrome. Corn is also a great way to eat more. Manganese, phosphorus, iron, zinc, and magnesium. Corn may offer many health benefits. Corn, which is a whole grain and naturally gluten-free, can also provide different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has a rich source of many essential nutrients and fiber. A meal rich in corn can go a long way in protecting against many diseases. So, start shucking. If you have a corn allergy, avoid eating it. Otherwise, go ahead and enjoy steaming hot grilled corn with your friends. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.